Welcome to Kimika's Canadian brand guide on how to wax your back using hot wax. Here's how to achieve smooth salon quality results from the comfort of your home. First, heat the wax in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it reaches the consistency of warm honey. Next, cleanse your back with Kimika's pre-waxing cleanser to ensure it's free of oils and impurities. Now, apply a thick layer of wax in the direction of the hair growth, ensuring the edges are thicker for easy removal. Let the wax set until it no longer sticks to your fingers. Quickly remove the wax in the opposite direction of the hair growth while keeping the skin firm to minimize discomfort. Repeat the process on the other areas of your back. If you experience any discomfort, gently apply pressure to the waxed area. To remove any lingering wax residue, apply Kimika's Wax Off Oil, followed by our soothing post-waxing vitamin E lotion to calm and nourish your skin. Enjoy the professional results right at home. For more tips and products, visit our website or follow us on social media. Happy waxing!